Hello, awesome people, sharing to you our fruitful and productive women's conference in Jönköping City. It's 1 hour and 15 minutes away from where we live. On the road to our women's conference. Hi, Belle. Ang ganda ng view sa labas. Yes. Ito nga at nadadaanan natin ang the second largest lake in Sweden called Vättern Lake. Alam niyo ba na ang surface area ng lake na ito ay 1,912 square kilometers. Ito na nga at nakapag-picture na tayo sa gilid ng lake na may malalaking bato. Going back to our conference, since this is a Christian women's fellowship, hindi mawawala ang praise and worship.
Blessed be the name of the Lord. Blessed be the name of the Lord. Blessed be the name of the Lord, Most High.
Mayroon kaming lectures about sa health, food and diet, particularly the health benefits of vitamins B1 to 12, given by our licensed dietitian, Sister Gemma. We also learned about God's principles in managing wealth by Ate Jen. An input about treating others with respect was delivered by Ate Mercy, and a reminder to forgive each other since God has forgiven us. Next is the importance of the power of evangelism by Ate Annabelle.
Evangelism. Yan. Yan daw yung ang main course ng isang Kristiyano.
Ate Belle also shared to us these Bible texts containing the reasons why we should evangelize. Finally, the Beatitudes shared by Ate Joy taken from Matthew chapter 5 verses 3 to 12. What a joy na nakasama natin ang ating mga sisters in Christ, lalo na at sila ay ang ating mga kababayang Pinay na dito na rin naninirahan sa iba't ibang cities and municipalities in Sweden. O diba may pa-jumping photo session pa? Hanggang sa muli nating pagkikita sa next women's conference. Thank you so much also for watching. Take care everybody and God bless.